Hello, good morning. It's Monday. It's time to conquer the world again, right? I've been up early getting ready for a home inspection, making sure our property looked great, smelled great, so our home inspector will be far more lenient on us. That's why my hair is all over the place. So hope you're ready for a great week. And let's talk about a question actually that Michelle asked on Friday that I didn't see until later. She asked about how do you feel about coming soon properties, and hey Robert, good morning. How do you feel about coming soon properties and making offers on them sight unseen? Well, I have a definite opinion, and hey Daniel, good morning, but everyone can choose to run their business any way they want to. I personally believe that I love a coming soon period, but I don't like it in MLS because you have wasted all of your opportunity to create a buying frenzy. Hello, Mary. Good morning. Hello, Layton. Good morning. So that's the whole point, right? Is you want to get a head start on the marketing when you're doing coming soons and you put them in MLS. You know, if you had the seller sign saying, yes, you are free to market this property, but not put it in MLS, then you actually have something that consumers really want. Because once you get it in MLS, that's when it starts the marketing pumping out to Zillow. And I mean, everyone is going to Zillow to search. So when you know that you have properties coming available, then you can use that to leverage the leads and give consumers what they really want, because we're going back to that old school way of people want to deal with agents who know about all the properties that are coming up soon because they've exhausted the searches themselves. They're riding through neighborhoods, they're constantly checking Zillow, they're looking at websites all the time. They a lot of times know the inventory better than we do when we haven't had a chance to actually sit down and look at it when we're looking for clients. So whenever you put it in the MLS and you say it's coming soon in 2 weeks or whatever it is, then you miss that opportunity to create a whole lot of excitement. Good morning, April, and have everybody jump in on it. Hey Courtney, good morning. Writing an offer sight unseen, good morning Bev, is completely fine to do. To have that contingency in there. What you don't want to do though is you don't want to lie, like some agents have been lying and saying, I'm just going to go preview it myself, and when listing agents are nice and let them in, oh, well my client was with me and we wrote an offer and did this, and we also had a home inspector with us. Don't lie. Tell the agent, and then they present the offer. You do not have to, in that coming soon period, present anything, because the whole code of ethics and having to deal with coming soon and putting it in MLS, hey Candace, good morning, is all about getting a fair market price for your seller or higher, because you're giving everyone, good morning Bob, an opportunity to make an offer. Now, one time Kate's client said, look, we'll risk $10,000 because we don't even want to put this house on the market. That's completely fine too. Have them sign something that says that. Like, we understand that we're going to get a better price if it opens up to everyone and they have a chance to bring their buyers, but we don't want to do it. We don't want to go through it. Just have them sign something saying that they're not interested in that and they only want to be kind of off market, and that happens all the time. Thanks, Bob. You're the rock star. You're the one who handles 4 businesses at once like a genius. I'm calling you for a home inspection this week, by the way. So that's just my opinion on it. Your whole purpose is to create that frenzy, and a lot of times the coming soon in MLS does not allow you to do that. There's my 2 cents. And writing offers sight unseen, you could always just say, hey, I've been instructed not to be able to counter or even present until it's live in MLS. So here's the deal though. Your seller they're going to want to get right in there and start negotiating. That's why I don't think it's that great of an idea. to be able to do it. If you have a sign, that's fine. If you do your own Facebook marketing, if you send things out to your database, then yes, by all means, do that. But the MLS can cause a lot of issues when we're doing coming soon, a lot of violations against the code of ethics. So your broker can fill you in on all of that. Have an amazing day, and we're at the office already pumping out projects. So if you need anything, let us know. Thanks so much.